2016 Kia Optima intake manifold runner control. This is the runner control here. So what you can do first, you need to remove the hose here, the coolant coming to this place, and you have two clips for the fan. You need to remove this pulling, and you have the connector for the fan assembly. You need to remove that one. After that, you have this hoses. You need to disconnect them. You have a 8mm board here. You need to disconnect that. And before everything, you need to disconnect the negative battery and unplug the electrical, and you have three 10mm boards on side of the runner. After that, you need to remove this part here. It has a 12mm board connected to that side and disconnected. You need to disconnect this hose and put it to the side. And you have 4 bolts for the manifold and 2 nuts. I already removed those are there. And you need to remove that. And underneath of the intake, I forgot to tell you, you should remove these connections, and for the pulling out the fan, you need to remove this one and disconnect all wiring around the manifold. So what is the problem here? You have a clip like this. I already pull out the runner. So there is a point on this corner. I just know it is a sign for me. So this one is going exactly like this to the runner. So this is the problem why we cannot take out the runner. So the reason is we have a clip behind this, and we have to remove that one. It is not good place to remove it in there. So if you want to remove it, you have a line here, the gas line. So this one cannot be removing from this part. So that's the reason this clip, you can pull it, and it has two pushing and pulling part to the side of it. Let me show it to you. It is like this, and you need to pull them out and use a pick like this one and take it out from there. So for this part, you cannot pull it out because the line is on your way and is not letting you to pull the runner out. So what you should do after you're removing this bolt and nuts here, so you have 2 bolts, 12mm bolt on the bottom. So let me show it to you if I can. I hope you can see it. It's somewhere around this area. You should touch it with your hand. And also, let me show it to you again. Probably you are able to see it right now. So there is a bracket down there, and that bracket has 4 bolts, I believe. So with that, you have 2 12mm bolts. You need to remove that. After you remove that, you can pry on the manifold and just move it back. If you move it back with one hand, with another hand, you can pull this part and take it out. So it's kind of like 2 hours job to get everything out. And when you change the runner, make sure you pull the motor to this side okay, and push the clip with the pick, pull it, and be careful, do not lose it if you are working on the grass or something. So put a little bit grease around this area and reverse, do your job, and done it. And don't forget to this clip, put it back, and you should hear the click for the clip. After that, you have to go to your car, and there is a process when you connect your battery. You should go and run your engine on 2500 RPM for 5 seconds and turn off your engine. Crank it again, do it to 2500, keep it for 5 seconds, turn it off. Do this process for 5 times, and then after that your runner gonna be set. And also, if you have a scanner, you have to active and deactive the runner. So that's another tip you have to know. Okay guys, good luck and hope you enjoy my video, and if you get chance, thumbs up and like my video. The only three tools you need for this job: 10 millimeter socket with 12 millimeters and 12 millimeters wrench. So probably you need it for bottom to open up. Okay, good luck.